Okay, so due to there being somebody at my top speed run spot, now we're taking a quick rip on the 300EX. Here's the 300EX. I put some new shoes on her. She needs new back brakes. It does not actually have Pro Taper fat bars on it. That's just a bar pad. It's actually got renthals. I put these ODI, whatever they're called, grips on them. The last guy did this, which I think looks really stupid, but it's actually really functional. The lights are a lot brighter than a normal 400 or 300EX's lights. She's got a K&N air filter. She's got rejetted for the K&N air filter. Stock gearing. These Sun F tires. You guys can see. I went with 22s on the back instead of 20s. A lot of people go with 20s on the back, but I kind of need the ground clearance riding in this stuff. It's got a White Brothers full pipe, if you can see that. And it runs pretty good. I'll definitely say that. It goes all right. I really wasn't planning on getting muddy out here, but you know how that goes. I could totally make it through this hole. had the 80, the 100, the 70, the 50. Oh, drag the hand. Yeah! Second gear. Standing on the seat. Yacht. Throw the gloves back on. I thought I was out of storage for a minute. I could have swore I heard the GoPro beep, but apparently not. I know I have enough footage now for a quick 8-minute video or 6-minute video, whatever I decide to do. But I kind of just want to keep riding for a few. That's neutral. I wonder if I could hand drag downhill with no rear brake. Whoa. Nah, that's sketchy. Stick with us. I knocked this over with the CRB too. I know you guys don't know what that is quite yet, but you guys will get a goon review. Never saw the 250EX that I had, but I'll try and find some clips of that. I think Mitch has some clips. I might have a couple of them. If you guys ever want to see me like pounding the ever-living out of like an 06 250EX, let me know, because I rode that thing like crazy. I rode that thing everywhere. I sunk it like 3 times. It's a Honda boat, bud.
It's a Honda boat.
Honda boat.
You got the green gilt, the Suzuki.
Oh yeah. We don't talk about that. You know, I thought she could go where the utility quads could go, and she could. She just couldn't come back. Now this thing, on the other hand, this thing doesn't like water. Are so bad this year. Both feet's on the seats. Normally I don't do the 2 feet on the seat thing. I always hover the rear brake, but when I'm trying not to use the brake anyways, it doesn't make much difference. Y'all, I gotta thank you guys for watching this video on the 300, and the top speed run will be up soon. I couldn't do nothing about that today, but that'll be up soon. 400EX top speed run will be up soon. I'm getting back into my game. The whole monetization thing gave me motivation, even though I literally don't even care about the money that comes from it, because I never started this for the money. I started this for the community. I started this for myself. I started this for watching back on these videos. I started this for so many different reasons other than money. The money is just a benefit at this point, and I've made, I don't know, like $4 and something cents. I'll put it on the screen now, and that was in like the last month. I'm not worried about it. It's not really a big thing. It just gave me a little bit of motivation, showed me that people still watch this stuff. So I I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.